Hi, I'm Los Angeles personal injury lawyer Stephen Sweat, and I was going to share with you today how to document a car accident case using your smartphone. Now, none of us want to be in a car accident, but let's face it, if you live in Los Angeles or anywhere in California, the chances are you'll be in an accident at some point or another. The most important thing is to know that you need to remain calm and you need to document certain things for later use. First thing is you need to get information from the other driver. Usually the best way to do this is to simply ask for their driver's license and a copy of their proof of insurance. Put it on a flat surface like the hood of your car or your seat and take a picture of it. That will give you all the information you need, including their name, address, and policy number and name of their insurance company and the insurance company's phone number so that you can later open a claim. Second thing you want to do is take pictures of the accident scene. Take a picture of where your vehicle came to rest, where the other vehicles came to rest, any traffic signals such as lights or stop signs in the area, the lines and designations for turn lanes and that type of thing, just to get an overall layout of the intersection. And then the next thing you want to do is to take pictures of the property damage. Take a picture of both your vehicle and the other driver's vehicle so that you can document where the damage happened and therefore can determine later how the accident happened and liability issues. So I hope those tips are helpful, and if you are ever in an accident in Los Angeles or anywhere in California, please give me a call, 866-252-0735, or you can visit us on our website, victimslawyer.com.